Hey, hello everyone. So today I'll be basically presenting one project that I have created where I have used different Google products, the Google Vertex AI platform and Google Gemini model 2.5. Um, these are like two main Google products that I've used to create this project. This entire project is being developed on Google Cloud Platform. I have used Google Cloud Shell for local development, and I have deployed this on the GCP itself, Google Cloud itself. So this project, the intent of this project to explore and understand all the different Google products and create a meaningful AI chatbot with only help of the Google ecosystem products. So currently, if you can see on the screen, this is a Google Cloud platform. I have set up my um, um, Vertex API. I did set up all the different authentications like OAuth on a Google Cloud Shell. And I have installed different Python libraries and APIs because I'm developing this project in Python. This project is basically a AI chatbot, which is currently running on the local server. So if I go here, this is the chatbot, which is currently, if you can see here, this chatbot is running on 8080 port on a local server. I have used Python Flask to to run this server. And then this, I will go through all like different functionalities that this chatbot is providing. But this is in high level of which products I have used and what I've used for running the servers. And I have also used different external APIs to give to demonstrate an internet access so that Gemini models can get the data from external API calls. And basically this explains how we can integrate our Gemini models with different different URLs and how to integrate the internet access with that with the Gemini model. So this will be pretty interesting project. Let's walk through. Um, let's first of all go through what functionalities we have. But before jumping onto the functionality, um, I just wanted to say that Google Cloud Shell development is really smooth. We have terminal and we have IDE as well integrated in the Google Cloud Platform. We can just type it in, install everything, and it will be quick. We'll get our server. So this is pretty much the IDE. And if I want to open a terminal, I can click here. This will open the terminal where I have server running on one of the terminal shell. And when we spin up the server, the Google Cloud Platform has one feature called Web Preview. If I click on Web Preview, if your server is running on 8080 port, you can just say preview on 8080 port. But if your server is running on different port, you can change a port and then you can do the review. So my server is still running on 8080 port. So I will just go and click here, um, which will which will basically open this local website. So the preview option is integrated in the Google Cloud Shell itself. Um, and then we have a lot more options. We have different APIs, billing API, admin access, storage. So this is the GCP is very user-friendly platform, Google Cloud Platform. And now, as part of this project, I have used a Firebase, Google Firebase database as well. So during my interaction with Chatbot, I am also saving the context into Firebase database, Firebase data store. I will show in the demo. So let's first let me show you one thing, how this chatbot can preserve the context. So if I say, hi, my name is uh, John. And if I say, hi, my name is John, he'll say, hello, John, nice to meet you. How can I help you today? So this basically, this UI has interacted with Vertex AI, and the Vertex AI has interacted with the Google Gemini model, and the model gave the response. Um, and let's say, um, I refresh this API, if I refresh this website and say, what is my name? My name is John. So basically, this chatbot has preserved the context. It saved the context into Google Firebase data store. And whenever we interact with chatbot, it will first load all the context, and then it will send the new input and all the context to the model to get the output. So this has a functionality of context holding via Google Firebase database. So the first important feature is emails. I'll go through emails. So if I say, hey AI, can you send an email to this email ID, right? So this AI chatbot is capable of sending an email on my behalf. I just need to say title. This is Tejas, and the body is hey. The AI is sending it. The Gemini. So it will basically, okay, I have sent an email with the subject and body. So it sent an email. So chatbot created the email draft. He had Gemini added the title, the body, and everything. And we are calling in Google API, uh, Google Gmail API to send these messages. Now I will check that did I get the message? Yes, I got this get message. Um, so I will just go and see here. So this is Tejas, and hey, I sending it to Gemini. So this message is being sent over here. So messages is working. The AI sent this message to me via Google Gemini models. Um, then let's go back to our chatbot. Now the email functionality, so it is easy. Like I can just today I cannot do with basic foundational models all this. So this chatbot is now have all this capability to sending an email to different like recipients just via like typing it here. And the Google Gemini model can also enhance the body if you tell them to do that, that hey, can you make it more professional? It will make it more professional, and it will send based on that. So email sending functionality is really good. The second is I web fetch functionality. So today all our so this chatbot can also crawl through the internet. And so basically the call will go to Vertex AI, and then it will go to model. Gemini model will then decide which external API to call, and it will call that API. So for example, if I want a Bitcoin price, this is a sample, and if I want a Bitcoin price, um, so Gemini model will decide which external API to call. It will call like from the URLs, and this is the response we got. And this is like $62K is the Bitcoin price currently. So now this is how it works. Like this is how it is basically doing an internet access. It has all the OAuth authentication configured, and our chatbot, our Google Cloud Shell is allowed to do an external calls. We have different midway authentications as well. So we also develop those things as part of this project. Now, uh, if you are wondering, what is this third thing? It is calculator. So if I say 25 into 30, um, it will call the calculator API, and then the result is 750. So calculator API is one of the tool that I've created. So now here, the key role of Gemini model is to process the input, add the context from the Firebase to process this request more with all the context, and then also Gemini model also then decide which tool to call. So if it is a calculator related question, or if I need to send an email, so it will decide which tool to call, which external API to call. So here our Vertex AI platform and the Gemini model manage all different decisions at each stages. And our data store Firebase is also configured that it will smoothly interact with our Google Gemini model. So, and also I can uh, clear history here. The context will be deleted from our Google Firebase database, and our model will not have context. It will start adding the context again. The If I start like if I keep doing the all different question answers to the mod chatbot. Thank you, thank you for um, watching this and being part of this walkthrough. This entire project is on Google ecosystem, and for more kind of these videos, I will make more videos on different Google products. But stay tuned.